Well, today's the day we install the front glass on the Firebird, so I'm going to shut up and get to working. Let's do this. So it was just kind of like the Porsche, only a front dash speaker, one speaker was factory. That's I guess it's gonna work. Right?
Probably should go around this way.
Okay.
I'm gonna go over the car.
So we'll switch.
Well, just
okay. Walk it over. Let's see here. How I'm on that side. Got it. And we'll put it inside those things. Now he said about a finger's tip, which again, my finger and your finger are probably two different sizes.
I'm real close to the rivet.
Let me see. Oh yeah, so my way just to see if you can put your pinky. A little bit of pinky gap there.
And it's different as you go along the thing.
Okay. Then I think we have to go up just a hair maybe, which means these things go up. That look pretty uniform. At least by your eye. All right there. Maybe a little bit lower.
I don't know.
See on my side. How much do you think you have metal showing?
Almost a half an inch.
About a half inch. And on my side I have about a quarter inch. So I'm gonna go up a little more on mine. Like that.
Right up on the rivet.
So come my way a little bit more.
Yeah.
And then, is that about where we want it?
Rubber spinning?
Yep, just spinning. All right. So down here we know we have about almost an inch on the bottom part.
Yeah, we do.
And then over on this side here.
Would come into play. Is it on this side of these brackets?
It must be here. This is the.
Oh, I got the towel. Okay.
And then that metal trim then comes in and covers that. So wherever that is like that. All right, cool. About a quarter inch up here, maybe a half inch.
Yeah.
Yeah, about that.
A half inch roughly, but we got to scoot over because I'm on the rivet.
So come my way?
Yeah.
You're right, I'm pushing down that rivet right there. Oh yeah, whoa.
Yeah.
Wowzers. And I'm popping in. You know what, let me take that one. So now slide my way. Now I'm up against the things. How about you?
I'm almost a quarter inch away.
Okay, so I'll come back your way just a smidge.
Okay. Now you're 1/8 inch.
About the same on my side. Okay. And then up top, how are we looking up top?
Yeah, we've moved down.
They moved down? That's as tight as I can get that one.
Okay, now if I just hold it there.
All right, so let's do this real quick. So we'll do one like here. Here. We'll do one up here. And I'm going to razor blade and we'll just cut them, and that should help us square that up. Around.
Yeah, there's cars galore behind us. It's ridiculous.
And then out, and we'll take it to the back. Get that reach.
You want to start somewhere in the middle here.
Go to the middle.
Because you want a solid all the way around.
Because you don't want this, you want to break here, because then it will.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You betcha. So anywhere down here is where you want to break.
Okay. So if we're looking at this being where the glass is. Like that?
Yeah. I'm just going to use this tape as a guide along this edge
Sure.
here. Now it becomes difficult.
Get around those corners.
Yeah.
So we're kind of just lining that up with that edge.
Yeah, that's all I was doing. And keep it simple.
What's that?
Something's making me hungry.
Oh. I don't like that.
Somebody's cooking.
They're not inviting us? What? Never fails.
That's not supposed to stick to the needle, by the way. And here we are.
Alright. Massage that down.
It'll go down when you tap it with the hammer.
Okay. Tap with the hammer here. Alright, here we go, Jerry. Let's try this.
Let's do this.
That same technique. Oh, let me get the other block. Here we go. Just sit in the bottom. Then we'll line our. Come my way a little bit. Are you looking good? Tape seems to line up. Let it sit.
I would put some tape on here because this one's loose.
Okay.
So it doesn't slide down
All right.
from the heat.
I got some thick stuff. What is that?
That's what my glass guy told me. That's why they put the tape on.
Keep it from sliding?
Yep. It just helps it to keep from sliding down. Because there's none of these on the newer cars at all.
It just has to stick.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I'll let it sit in the sun for an hour and then
Nice. I
just
like it.
keep working it down. Sweet, thank you, sir.
I like it. Looks cool.
Nice.
Coming together.
All right, so close up. Got the car back in the garage. Hey, you can see me. Hey, how's it going? Anyways, the little tabs, put those in. These little rubber blocks, they actually came with the new seal that came with. So I have both that one over there and, of course, way over there, that one. So you can kind of see how we got that in there. We just laid it in and just kind of went around and made sure everything was down. We was one of my new tabs right there. And then we held it in place with the tape for, it's been about a week now, I guess, since we've got this all done. But we now have our glass in, which is awesome. Makes it quite nice. But as you can see, that's the big thing right there. Is those get it to where it's running along that edge. Come in there and kind of see how we put it in there. And again, it's not perfect, but once your trim goes in up here, it's going to overlap. So you're not going to see any of this in here. That's kind of cool. So this will wrap up another Firebird Friday video. We got the front window in. Now I need to get a mirror so I can see what I'm doing, and another mirror over there, see what I'm doing over there. And I hate, oh my God. So just a rant. And again, I'm not a American muscle car guy, but this mirror here, when I'm sitting in there and I look out this, I'm used to seeing a wide view. Well, this thing here makes it look like the car behind me is like right on top of me. I'm not too happy with that. And most sports cars that I've ever owned didn't have a passenger mirror. So that's still new to me. So, all right, Pinkerton was the manufacturer of the glass. I'm going to get that cleaned up, take all that off, and we'll be able to rock and roll. All right, guys, I will see you next Friday for another Firebird Friday video.